done. Good, good. Good, good. All right. H, H.
K.
I can hear you one more time. All right.
L.
Okay.
N. O. R. Y. G. Yes? Okay.
Up. Sit down. Stand up. Hands up. Everybody turn around. Very good. Wonderful. Each of you, please, hands up. Clap your hands. Touch your toes. Hands up. Touch your ears. Touch your nose. Clap your hands. Each of you, stomp your feet. Be quiet. Touch your shoulders. Up, down. Very good. Now each of you touch your elbow. Elbow. Very good. Tap your knees. Very good. Now each of you shake your hands. Wonderful. Hands down. Sit down. Stand up. Touch your hat. Touch your nose. Clap your hands. Sit down. Stand up. Everybody turn around. Hands up. Hands down. Touch your belly. Very good. Touch your back. Touch your toes. Touch your nose. Clap your hands. Touch your elbow. Elbow. Very good. Touch your neck. Neck. Touch your nose. Everyone shake your hands. Clap your hands. Tap your knees. Knees. Very good. Sit down. Stand up. Good job, guys. Very good. Are you ready? Come on.
What time is it?
Now it's 6. 6 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
Now it's 5. 5 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Huh?
What time is it?
It's 1. 1 o'clock.
1.
Huh?
What time is it?
It's dinner time. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Tell me, please, how can you call them? Very good. Let's do it again. Number. All right. 2. Tell me, how can you call them? Number? Come on. Tell me please, how can you call them? Huh? Alright, one more time. Wow, so beautiful. Please, how many beans are here? How many?
It's alright.
Very good. Okay, tell me please, what is his name? Very good. Tell me, which one do you like?
You swing also.
Okay. This is for you, what should you say? Good job. Alright, now let's look at here. Tell me please, what is it? It's a cow. Tell me please, what is it? Okay, chicken or hen? It's a hen. Very good. Tell me please, how many beans are here? Alright, wonderful. By the way, what is his name? Very good, okay. Tell me please, which one do you like? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. What should you say? Good job. 1, 2, 3. Nose. You should touch it. Let's touch it. And say, well done. Head. Good job. Back. Nose. Back. Head. 1, 2, 3. Nose. Very good. We should touch nose. Well done. Head. I can't hear you guys. Okay.
Samira use the N here. Any
What should you say? Well done, everyone. Let's look at. Good job, guys. Very good. So let's pity, but now it's the end of our class. So everybody, hands up. Wonderful. Now we should say bye-bye, goodbye.
Bye-bye, goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.
Goodbye, friends.
Goodbye, teacher Andy.
Goodbye, teacher Andy.
Each of you, let's bow.
Bow.
And say thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Each of your hands up. Touch your eyes. And let's say see you soon.
See you soon.
Well done, guys. Hope to see you soon. Everyone, hands up and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well done.